Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial we are going to make crochet letter E. The size of this letter is approximately 6.5 centimeters if you are going to use stated materials. Materials are 3mm crochet hook, double knit yarn and scissors. This letter is easy to make, no assembly required and only consists out of 3 rows. So before we start, don't forget to hit subscribe button, and on the description below you can find a link to my blog where you can find written pattern for this letter and all other letters. Okay, let's start making this crochet letter E. We are going to start with chain of 14 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. We have a chain of 14 stitches, and now we are going to make a row number 1. Row number 1 will start from the second chain. I'm gonna skip this chain. I'm gonna start from the second chain, and we are going to do single crochet into second chain. Now we have 12 stitches remaining till the end of our row, and we're going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch, 12 single crochets in total. Finished row number 1 and we have 13 stitches in row number 1. Now we are moving to row number 2. We're going to start our row number 2 with chain of 1. We're going to turn it. We're going to do single crochet in the same stitch, and now we have 12 stitches remaining till the end of our row number 2, and we are going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch, 12 stitches to the end of row number 2. Finished 2 rows of our letter E, and they were pretty easy. Now we are moving to row number 3 of our letter E. Row number 3 will be a bit more complicated, not very complicated, but a bit more complicated than previous 2 rows. We are going to start our row number 3 with chain of 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have a chain of 8 stitches. Now we are going to skip 2 stitches and we're going to work in the 3rd stitch. We're going to do 1 double crochet into the 3rd stitch. Now we have chain of 5 stitches remaining, and we're going to do double crochet in all of them. It will be 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's how our letter looks now. And now we are going to slip stitch this little ending to the 3rd stitch from the beginning of our round. Let's slip stitch that. And that 1st step of our letter E is complete. Now we're going to slip stitch in next 3 stitches. Slip stitch 1, slip stitch 2 and slip stitch 3. Just make sure your slip stitches are not loose, otherwise it's gonna shrink our letter. And our next step will be chain of 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again, we're going to work in the third chain, and we're going to do double crochet into third chain. We still have 3 stitches in our chain remaining, and we're going to do double crochet in each of them. Double crochet 1, double crochet 2, and double crochet 3. Now we have to join this little tail to the main body. Gonna skip 1 stitch and slip stitch 2 next stitch. That's how our letter E looks so far. Now we're going to do 3 slip stitches again. Make sure they are not tight. 1, 2 and 3. Next step will be chain of 8 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have a chain of 8 stitches. Starting from the third chain, we're going to do double crochet in third chain. We have 5 stitches on the chain remaining, and we're going to do double crochet in each of them. It will be 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We did 5 double crochets, and now we're going to join this tail to the last stitch of our row with slip stitch. That's how our letter E looks like now. It is almost complete. Everything what we need to do is cut the yarn off and finish it off. If you're going to attach this letter to a project, I would suggest leaving a long tail, but I'm not attaching this letter anywhere, so I'm gonna leave a little tail and I'm gonna finish it off. And our crochet letter E is complete. As you see, it was very easy to make, no assembly required, and it's perfect for the beginner. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you would like to find a written pattern for this letter, check on the description below, where you're going to find a link to my blog. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well, because your subscription will help me to grow my channel and create more adorable and free videos. So again, thank you for watching, and I'm gonna see you in my next videos.